Hello everyone. Today let's dive into the fascinating world of dental implants, exploring a wide range of options tailored to meet your personal needs. When it comes to restoring smiles, innovation in implant technology has opened up a multitude of options. Let's explore some of the different types of dental implants available. First, we have traditional dental implants, tried and true solution for replacing missing teeth. These implants consist of a titanium post surgically inserted into the jawbone, providing a sturdy foundation for dental restorations. Next, let's talk about mini implants. These slender implants are ideal for patients with narrow bone ridges seeking a less invasive option. Mini implants are often used to stabilize dentures, offering increased comfort and functionality. Moving on, we have subperiosteal implants. Unlike traditional implants, they are placed within the jawbone. Subperiosteal implants sit on top of the bone and are held in place by a metal framework. They are suitable for patients with insufficient bone who may not be candidate for traditional implants. Now let's explore another advanced option, all-on-4 implant, a revolutionary technique that allows for the restoration of an entire arch of teeth with just 4 implants. This approach maximizes bone support and minimizes the need for bone grafting, offering a more effective and cost-effective solution for full mouth rehabilitation. Similarly, all-on-6 offers much more anchorage. Last but not the least, we have zygomatic implants. These implants anchor into the cheekbone instead of the jawbone, making them an excellent option for patients with severe bone loss for the upper jaw. Zygomatic implants provide a stable foundation for dental restorations, restoring both functions and aesthetics. Whether you are considering traditional implants, mini implants, zygomatic implants, all-on-4 implants, or subperiosteal implants, there are solutions tailored for your unique. Consult your dentist to determine the best option for restoring your smile and regaining your confidence. After considering the factors, now let's take a look at some tips on how to maintain the longevity of your dental implants. So here I am sharing some tips to maintain the optimum oral health and maximize the longevity of your dental implant. Dental implants are an investment in your smile, and proper care is key to ensure their longevity. Here are some expert tips to keep your implants in tip-top shape. First and foremost, practice impeccable oral hygiene. Just like natural teeth, dental implants require regular brushing and flossing to remove plaque and bacteria. Use a soft bristle toothbrush and non-abrasive toothpaste to clean around the implant and along the gum line. Next, don't forget about interdental cleaning. Dental implants can still be susceptible to gum diseases if plaque is allowed to accumulate between teeth. Incorporate flossing or interdental brushes into your daily routine to reach to those tight spaces. Furthermore, schedule regular dental checkups and cleaning. Your dentist or hygienist can assess the health of your implants and provide professional cleaning to remove any hardened plaque or tartar that may be accumulated. Another crucial step is to avoid habits that can compromise the integrity of your dental implant. For example, smoking or chewing hard objects like ice or pen. These behaviors can increase the risk of implant failure and should be avoided for the sake of your oral health. Lastly, maintain a healthy lifestyle. Proper nutrition and hydration are keys to supporting your overall oral health and healing. Be sure to consume a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals to promote gum and bone health. By following these tips and prioritizing your overall health, you can enjoy the benefits of your dental implants for years to come. Remember, a healthy smile starts with healthy habits. Now let's understand how smoking can directly impact the health of your dental implant. We all know smoking is harmful to our health, but its effect on dental implants are often overlooked. Research shows that smoking can have serious consequences on implant outcomes. Firstly, smoking hampers the body's ability to heal properly after implant placement. Nicotine and other harmful chemicals in cigarettes restrict blood flow to the gums and jawbone, slowing down the healing process and increasing the risk of complications. Additionally, smoking also weakens the immune system, making smokers more susceptible to infections around the implant site. This can lead to a condition which is called as peri-implantitis, characterized by inflammation and bone loss around the implant, ultimately jeopardizing its stability. Smoking is also being linked to decrease the bone density, which is crucial for implant success. Weakening of the jawbone due to smoking can compromise the implant's ability to integrate properly, increasing the risk of implant failure. In short, smoking poses a significant threat to the success and longevity of dental implant. Quitting smoking before undergoing the implant surgery can greatly impact outcome and ensure a healthier and more resilient smile. Say goodbye to smoking and hello to a brighter, healthier future with dental implants. You go to your dentist, get a dental implant then, but what about aftercare? So today, let's discuss about the importance of regular checkup and professional cleaning after dental implant placement. So, you have invested in your dental implants to restore your smile. That's fantastic. But to ensure that they stay in top condition, it's crucial to prioritize regular dental visits. Regular checkups are like routine maintenance for your implants. During these appointments, your dentist will thoroughly examine your implants, looking for any signs of issues like gum disease or bone loss. Catching these problems early prevent them from escalating and potentially compromising the stability of implants. Professional cleaning plays a vital role too. Even with diligent brushing and flossing, plaque and tartar can build up around your implants over time. Professional cleanings are designed to remove this buildup, keeping your implants clean and free from harmful bacteria. But wait, there's more. Regular dental visits also provide an opportunity for your dentist to assess your overall oral health. They can check for signs of oral cancer, evaluate your bite, and ensure your surrounding teeth and gums are in good shape. By staying consistent with your dental checkup and cleaning, you are not only maintaining the health of your implants, but also safeguarding your overall oral health. Plus, it's a great opportunity to address any concerns or questions you may have with your dentist. So don't skip your regular dental visits. Your dental implants will thank you later for a radiant, brighter smile. For any queries you have regarding dental implants, or if you want to ask any questions, do not forget to write us in the comments. See you in our next video.